I'm simulating a 100k profit challenge using only lit trading to see if it can actually pass. Not really, just backtesting. Let's find out right now. So the first thing I would do is look for a near point of interest. I can only see price took Asian high. We have here a point of interest. As you can see, let me go to 5 minutes. We have here a build up, inducement to the upside, price already moving down. Let's see what happens. So this is another build up into this high. As you can see, we will go to 1 minute and see what happens exactly. We have a break of structure and a point of interest left behind. Let's see if price comes back to this zone. Target would be just below this low. Let's look at 3 minutes first. So this one looks good, but we also near the Asian low. As you can see, we took the Asian high with inducement. Now price created some liquidity built up, induced it. Now we are going lower to induce this Asian low. So we can target Asian low as our take profit. So let's see what happens. Now we are in. Let's take partial around here. 3R, 50% partial, and let the rest run. We can break even also, and we might have another chance to enter over here. Stop loss above this high to be safe. Sometimes price takes out. Let me zoom in. Sometimes price takes out this high, but actually does not break the swing high. Let's say this is high, swing low, and swing high again. Let's say lower high. This is a swing lower high, and this is lower low. This is one leg, a swing. So this high is connected through this whole leg, if you understand what I mean. So if this point of interest validated, it does not mean that price change character. It can still respect this swing high. Take profit, same area, Asian low. Wait, let me set limit order. So this one is active too. Since this is only 4R, around 4R, we will let it run without needing to partial. But we will break even as soon as this low is broken. Another point of interest, it doesn't matter. Still, price didn't break this low. So the cycle is still on. Now we can break even this trade too and let it run and take profit hit. Since Asian low was taken and there was, let's say, build up of liquidity, all of this that we were trading, its price was built in liquidity, induced Asian low. Let's see what happens. Now we can confirm that Asian low is induced with a wick. It doesn't matter. It could induce with lots of Victor candles or wick. It doesn't matter. We go to 1 minute and risk it since we have already won 2 trades, as you can see. Still going down. We need a break of a change of character somewhere around here. Now you see clear change of character. Let's go to 3 minutes because point of interest was too small. Definitely, if you want to know where was the break structure, you can see we have lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high again. So the break structure happened here. Let's go back to 3 minutes. I will set take profit around this high and maybe this high because this inducement was never mitigated and this inducement already did its thing. It induced high, then went lower to take out Asian low. So we can also expect that this high to be a weak high or a liquidity. We can target that one also. It broke structure again. Maybe price would never come back to this area again or this point of interest. Let's see what is happening over here. Yes, we have a break of structure. Now you need to look at this carefully. We have here, of course, the extreme point of interest, but we also have a reaction from this high. As you can see, this is the last candle that broke this high. We can split risk, set limit order both, or we can risk more since we had two winners over here. As you can see, this one we don't need it anymore because moves like this, if it doesn't come back quickly with the A shape or V shape, don't count on it. Price will not mitigate this one. It is like this one. Let me show you. Like this one exactly. Price will not come back. Anyways, this one stop loss a little bit high. It doesn't matter. Let's set our take profit. Now we can go to 1 minute. Set limit order. If we lose both, it's okay. It's just 2%. If one of them wins, as you can see, this one offers 8R and the other one offers 16R, almost 17R. So it's good. Okay, this one is active. But when do we cancel this one? Wait for it. Wait at least to hit 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we can cancel this one and partial this one 50%. Just like that. So we have another break of structure. But this one is risky. Do you know why? Because of this, it looks like a build up. Price can come back and take out, maybe take us out, break if. So we should not read this one and take profit hit 8R. Now price is definitely going to this point of interest. Let's see what happens. Can we get a touch over here before the day ends? And now we have a touch. So over here we need to improvise since the swing low for a valid change of character is pretty much far away. This is how we will improvise. Swing high, high, higher low, and then again lower high, lower low, breaking this recent low. This is our point of interest. Where should we target this recent liquidity built up? Well, price seems to not come back off here. Let's see. It is not coming back and we can cancel. In theory, we had many chances to enter over here. Let me show you. This is the low. This is lower high. Again, lower low, lower high. This is not a swing high as you can see, but this was a swing high. Actually, we had only one chance to enter, which is this point of interest as you can see. So as you can see, let me go to 5 minutes. I didn't even have to go to the next day. That's it. Same day, no losses. $17,000 in simulated profit on a 100K Profit challenge using nothing but lead trading, build up, inducement, point of interest mitigation. That's the whole system. No indicators, no casework, just structure. Now imagine having this system properly, knowing exactly what to look for, exactly when to enter, exactly where to exit. That's what I teach inside the mentorship. Link is in the description. And if you want to see the full 100 trade backtest journal behind this system, that's free. Grab it in the description. Join the Telegram, and I will send it to you directly.